What's up guys, it's Sabi here again with another new video. So in today's video I will show you how to convert image text into real text, right? So as you can see in front of your screen that I'm onto my cell phone and I typed on Google text images and then I chose the images option here and all the images come up here, and I want to convert one of the image from this into text. So let's say if I want to convert this image, which is called music vibes, and there are a lot of text written here, into a real text. So all I need to do is I need to press this right button to make a screenshot, and then the left button, the left top button, together like this, and then I will make it small to whatever image I want to convert into text, and then I will click at the bottom right 3 lines in a box, and then I click on copy all, and then I go on to the notepad. So I will remove this because I don't need this screenshot. So I will go on to notepad. I will search for notepad. I will type notes here. As soon as I start typing, the notepad comes here, and I'll open a new file. The bottom right box I will click. So new file has opened, and then when I tap on the screen, you will see the paste sign come up here. So I'll click on paste, and as you can see, it copied and pasted the whole image into text. Victor X effect music 100% fully editable, right? So let's copy another image and convert it into text. So let's remove this one. So I select all this and press the cross sign, and it will remove the whole text. So I'll go on to my image again, and let's say if I want to convert this image, best summer ever. So I'll again press the right button on my phone and then the left top button together, and then make a screen. It's like I'm making a screenshot, and I select the text image I want to convert it into text, and then I'll click on the bottom right icon, and then I click on copy all, and then I go back to my notepad. First I'll cross this, and then I will tap on my screen and the paste sign will come up, and I'll click on paste, and as you can see guys, it converted the image into text. And now I will remove this again. Now I will show you another thing, that how to convert a different language image into an English translation. Let's say I want to translate some image text into English language. So let's say if I type Urdu or Hindi image, right? Hindi image, HINDIM images, right? So as you can see, there are a lot of images in Hindi language. So let's say if I want to convert, okay, let's try this one. So let's see. Now when I made a screenshot of that text, instead of copy, it says translate. So when I click on translate, it will translate it into this one, and it means, if I make it other way around, it means 1 day. So that's how you convert image text of different language into English language. Alright guys, so I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, Goodbye.